Welcome back, everybody. I'm pretty excited about this video. I got my mystery tackle box in yesterday. I haven't subscribed for about 6 or 7 months, so I figured why not? I got back on it and I selected the Catfish box. I haven't opened it yet, so we're going to open it and see what's in it. It doesn't sound like a Catfish box because I've used to have bass boxes. So let's open it up and see what's inside. It is a Catfish box. Got directions or games and what's all included. Got our sticker. My daughter loves playing with those. Okay. So we got a couple lead weights, 3 each. Those are the best bell sinkers right here. Vanilla magic bait. Catches carp and catfish, smaller ones, but I'll give them a try. Haven't used them in a long time. Let's see what else we got. Hog wild dippers, little sponges and the netting to hold in your hog wild. Got a 6-pack of size 4/0 hooks. I mean, I can catch bluegill, catch anything with those. Doesn't really matter. Got some barrel swivels. So I think just kind of takes the place of a normal swivel. That I just won't be changing out my lines, I guess. So give those a go. I don't know what this is. It's a demon dragon. I'm not sure how to use it. I'll have to refer to the instructions, but I'm guessing it's a lure. I don't know. We'll have to look into those. And then I got salted shiners. So, I'm not going to catch real big catfish around here with these, but I can try to catch bait with them. Gar, I don't know, drum, we got all those around here, even sawguy. Okay, so let's figure out what this, it's a Demon Dragons 3.0. We'll just go ahead and open it. Muddy River Catfishing Edition. Let's go ahead and figure out what that is. I don't know what it is. I'm going to have to figure out what that is. It's got a YouTube sticker on it, so I figure I can go on and see what it does. It doesn't have any hooks. I wonder if it just goes in between the line and it makes noise. Good color. The color catches a lot of hybrids around here on square bills and stuff like that. I've never done a catfish box before, so let's see what we got here. We got our bell weights, our demon dragon, we got our salted shiners, our hog wild dippers, a couple of them in there. We got our magic bait for carp and catfish. I'll have to give those a try. We got our barrel hooks. We got our half a dozen size 4 hooks. And we got a cool little sticker that my daughter will end up playing with. So, pretty cool box. Can't wait to try it all out. And I will try to post another video of me using each and every one of these items. Thanks again, guys. I will be doing reviews on every box I get. So about monthly I'll have another one. I might switch back to bass because I like my lures. But stay tuned, and I'll be posting another video hopefully within a couple weeks. Thanks, guys.